Hello. Gamers. Hello. Just pretending. Okay, guys. Just pretending Furious Destroyer. Let's just say I'm playing Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's going at Christmas special. Let's wait. Yep, we are here. This is my house. Yeah, guys, this is my house. This is my cat Christmas. Oh, this is a. I have no, guys. I have no 40.0. I delete it, but it's gonna, of my difficulty. Just gonna parkour here. Wait, guys. Let's just go here. Let's go here. Ouch. Wait. Okay, let's parkour here. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Learning to parkour because TDM is the best parkour ever. Hehe. Go here. No. Here. Yes. See here. Yeah. This diamond parkour and the rest of double jump. See? Skip. Happen. So guys, I'm showing guys my house. Yeah. No. Just joking, guys. This is my house. Okay, let's just there. If nobody can see it, there's joining. Not joining it. My brother's in school. Let's go in my house now. This is my house. Yeah. But I download this parkour map and don't know. Just pretend this is my house. Wait. Every time on butts. What? Okay. This is my TV here. Don't know what's this. It's just